Alright guys, we got a Perodua Myvi today. We only going to be replacing the top absorber mounting because the absorber mounting is pretty much worn out. So we're just replacing that. The absorber itself, it's still running okay. So what we do is, while the car still on the ground, before it get jacked up, we're gonna just loosen these two bolts. Okay, I will walk you through it, how the process will go. Then once the car's been jacked up, then we'll remove this bolt entirely to get the absorber out. Alright guys, I'll quickly explain. We're going to remove the two 12mm bolt on the top where the absorber mount is. So what I did, I put a rod right here, so at least when that one's all loosed out, this absorber will not actually hit the drive shaft, which I already protected with cloth anyway, but this is just to prevent it to falling down all the way. So guys, that's the old part. It's already perished. Look at the rubber. It's all worn out. That will be the new part. See, they all nice and fit. They don't even move. If you compare it, you can look at the distance between the rubber. The rubber is basically worn out. Okay. So like always guys, compare the parts side by side. Make sure it's the correct part before fitting it back to the car. Okay. It reached to the bottom, because if not the car will make noise while it's driving. The way to find out is as you bring this down, it has a click. Make sure, that means it reached the bottom. Okay. Alright guys, the absorber is already fitted in. I'll just need to show you quickly. Make sure that notch reaches that gap right there, because if not the car will make noise when it's driving. Same goes to top right here. There's a notch just right there. So make sure the notch at the end of the spring actually reaches there, okay? So as long as both ends is already in order, the car, things can go back to the car, okay? Alright guys, once the car is fully on the ground, make sure you just double check these two bolts, because what it is once the car is fully tensioned with the weight of the car, you do need to tighten just slightly a bit more on these bolts. Okay, anyway guys, thanks again for watching. Hope this video is very beneficial for you. Those who've not to subscribe, please subscribe. You'll be notified for upcoming videos. Again, thanks again for watching guys.